sugar wax a day in my life. I've always gotten waxes done. What's up, y'all? So I'm back with a video, but today is gonna be a little different. We are going to be doing sugar wax. I got the goods, okay? Yeah. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so we are going to be doing some sugar waxing today. I've never sugar waxed myself before. I've always gone and got waxed, or I've had somebody come to my house and sugar wax. So I know there's somebody in Sherman Oaks who comes and they come to your house and they could do all that for you. But I decided to make my own, and girl, I grew out my hair for this video. After 24 hours, I allowed the wax to fully cool down and to just like do its thing overnight. This is what it looks like. It's like the consistency of honey, and it's not like as hard as you think it is. What I did notice though after was it was too runny. So instead of me putting the whole entire mixture on the stove again, I put it in the microwave. That way I knew that it wasn't gonna burn. And basically I was doing 30-second interviews. Nothing was really changing and happening. I kept on hitting like the 30-second button because I wanted to see it bubble up. And when it's bubbling, that means it's cooking. Just because, you know, you heat it up for a little bit, that doesn't mean that it's cooking. You gotta let it bubble up, and that's how you know it's gonna cook. So as I started to see it bubble up, I let it cook for like 30 seconds, bubbled up, and then I took it out. It was perfect. It was like this, and this is the exact consistency that we want. Gotta make myself a little real, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my glove. Shoot, I forgot. Cornstarch, baking powder. I know you can use baking soda. I feel like I should just get it. Okay, yeah, let me just go get it real quick. Hold on. Y'all, I really wish I could show you like everything. And I think mine's like a little bit too runny. I think I need to make it harder. But look at how much hair. Like, well, this big boil is a little bit closer for y'all. This is crazy. I'm gonna really show y'all. I know like the professionals probably gonna look at me like, what is this girl doing? Shit. Whatever the fuck I'm doing though is working. Don't play with me. It's a lot of hair in there. So I've been getting waxed for a long time. And I normally go to European Wax Center. Like I had like a whatever like their highest wax pass was. I felt like I was with them like forever, and my hair been taking like 2 months to grow back, so I really wasn't going there like every month. Basically I travel a lot too, and you know European Wax Center is everywhere from the East Coast to the West Coast, so that's why I had originally went with them. But my wax pass is over and I really don't want to go back to them. So in the meantime, while I'm looking for somebody, I decided to try it doing it myself. If I really couldn't do this, then I was just gonna go to back to European Wax Center. Maybe I think this is working. This is definitely working. I mean, I only did a little tiny bit. It was like a trial and error for me, I feel like, because like I wanted a hard wax where I didn't have to use the strips, but just in case I had cut up my son's old t-shirt and I just used the strips just in case, and that's what happened. Like it was just too soft. I thought it was hard enough, but it was just way too sticky. I didn't use the strips till probably like I was almost done. I was tight, but then when I used the strip, it was also a trial and error, because I did watch YouTube videos where like you couldn't put a lot of wax on your skin when you use strips, because it's not gonna give, it's not gonna grab. So first you just put like a thin layer on, then you put the strip on. Oh my god, that comes off so easy. I would have did my whole pom pom like that. I'm over here literally like grabbing like one by one. Like don't even ask why. Like just don't even mind me. You live, you learn. I feel like I'm gonna try it one more time, and I'm gonna just do the strips. Now that I know what I'm doing, I don't know, I just feel like it's a little bit more, it's just like an accomplishment. Like, yeah, like I wax myself. I like picking hair. Like I like seeing like the whole follicle come out. Like I love like I'll really like be up like 3, 4, 5 a.m. just watching like hair removal videos, popping pimple videos, like just gross shit, because I feel like what comes out of your skin is crazy. Like I don't know if you guys ever thought about it, like whatever comes out of your skin between like the hair, like why couldn't I just have hair on my head and then obviously my eyebrows? Why I gotta have hair everywhere else? Why? I don't get it. It's just a satisfaction watching the whole thing come out. That's why I like waxing, because I could see that the whole hair follicle was being taken out. Like you could see like the little black ball was at the end of my hair, because my hair is thick. I ice my face because I just feel like I glow more, you know, during the day. It gets rid of blemishes, gets rid of the red marks, makes your face glow. I could do a skincare routine because I know the girls, like, see, like I got a little pimple right there. Don't worry about it, it's gonna go away, don't look at it. That's why I've been icing my face over here more, because I know I got a pimple. But yeah, like if you have like a new blemish that comes up on your face, put some ice on it. That's gonna be going the next morning. Like a gua sha, but it's not. I like doing like under my eyes too, because you know ice and like cold is good for under your eyes. It gets rid of those bags, especially like when you first wake up. Put it underneath your eyes and boom, bags be gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.